Hello everyone. This video forms part of the WordPress Create Free Website 2025 series. And in part 2, we are going to learn how to create pages, blog posts, and the navigation menu. All right, so we are in the admin area or dashboard of our website, and we are going to go to pages and all pages. So you click all pages, the page opens up, and you can see that by default, WordPress has given us the About Us page. Right, we are going to create we would like to create a Contact Us page. So you can click there, Add New Page, or here, Add New Page. So click Add New Page, and welcome to the editor. All right, so now add a title. And we are going to call this page Contact. So it can be contact, contact me, contact us. You decide what you'd like. All right, on the plus sign here, okay, click. And this is the block library. And we are going to look for contact form. There's contact info, contact form, RSVP form. A number of options are given to us. So I am going to click contact form, and the form displays straight away with name, email, message. Okay, but I would like to have a telephone number as well. So how to do that? There are a number of options. The one I'm going to choose is very easy. I just click the email, go to the three dots and duplicate. And then I change from the email field, click the email field, and you change this to phone number field. Right, so now you can see it changed to the phone number field over there. And here I just have to update. So phone number, and it is also required. Now, message must be required. How to do that? You just click the required, you select the required icon. It is now required. Okay, so in this form, what do we have? Name, email, phone number, message, and contact us. You can also change the text, you can change the color of the button, and so on and so forth. So this is all we are going to do on this page, and click publish. And again, you click publish. So you click twice. Okay, it's been done. We could view the page, but we'll do this later. For now, let's go back to this icon, the W icon. If I hover over it, view pages. So click there, view pages, and you can see that our contact us page has been created. Now add a new page. And now we are going to call the new page blog posts. So blog posts. This is the page where all your blogs will be displaying. So it is again up to you. What would you like to call this page? You can call it blogs or posts, my latest news, or whatever you'd like to say. For now, we are going to leave as blog posts, publish, click publish, and click publish one more time. Great. So let's go back to view pages. And now we are going to create, as you see, your blog post has been created. Now add a new page. And this one, we are going to call it photo gallery or just gallery. You decide. Okay, so I am going to call it photo gallery. Photo gallery. And for now, this is, okay, if we go to the plus sign, okay, and on the block library, let's type gallery. Gallery, you are given a number of options. I am going to choose gallery. You can upload, you can select image if you already have. Okay, let's go to select images. and gives us lots of options. Media library, your phone, generate with AI, Google Photos, and Pexels. Let's go for Pexels, free photos. These are high quality photos. Okay. What about if here we type hikes and walks? Okay. Hikes and walks, number of cool photos. That one, let's just scroll down a bit. That one. Okay, lots, and so on and so forth. And we could continue. Okay. All right, so we have selected a number and select, right? So we have selected quite a number of images. The images are being inserted. Okay. And there they are. And there they are. All right. Now, let's go to the gallery. Let's also hover over the settings here. So I am going to click the settings icon and the right sidebar opens, right? And this is image icon. This is the gallery. Let's click on the gallery icon. What do we have here on the right-hand side? We have the gallery. So columns, 3. What about if I just wanted 2 columns? So now we have only 2 columns. Okay, I could also have 1 column or 4 columns. It is entirely up to you. Great, I'm not going to do anything more on the photo gallery. I am going to publish this page and I'm going to publish again. Great, so let's go back to view pages and let's create one more page, in this case for videos. Add a new page, and add title. I am going to say videos. I could have said my videos. Okay. And on the plus sign, I am going to type YouTube, and there it is, YouTube embed. So let's go to YouTube, and this is one of my videos. I am going to click the URL, copy, go to page, and here I am going to enter the URL and click embed. Wait a few moments, and there is my video. Straightforward, very, very simple. So click publish and click publish again. Well done. And the last one we are going to do, we are going to create one more page. As you see, so the videos is there. We are going to create one more page, and this is going to be the home page. So I am going to type home. Okay. And here on the plus sign, I am going to choose heading. Okay, heading. And I am going to say, welcome to our website. Right. Okay. Now, on this home, and before welcome to our website, let's go back to the title and enter. Now, I am going to choose a group block. So type there, group. And by the way, I'll launch a video on the group block because it is a very useful block, very, very useful. Okay, but in this particular case, I'm going to leave as is. So let's go to group. And I am going to, so you have group blocks. Okay, select a layout. I am going to go for this one. And let me click again on this group icon. Okay, nothing is happening. Let me go here. Let's go back to those settings. sidebar, the right-hand side, and I am going to look for the style, and I am going to go for the background image, add background image, and I can open media library because now we have a number of images in our media library. Interesting enough, that is not what I want. Let's go to the media library, right? And let's choose one. So maybe this one. Okay, this is fine. And I am going to click select. Select, but I can't even see this image. So again, on the right sidebar, I am going to scroll down a little bit, and for minimum height, I am going to type 600 pixels. And I apologize for the dog in the background. So this is the, would you please excuse me? Hopefully Rex won't disturb us for a while. All right, so what we're going to do here, again, I would like to have this image wider. So I click where it says align, click there, and let's make this wide width. Right, it is so much better. Welcome to our website, and we could have continued. I'm not going to do anything more here, and publish again. So you click twice. And now we are going to create quickly, we are going to create a blog post. So let's go back there. And now we are going to go to posts. I just wanted to make sure. We are going to go to posts. And I am going to go to, let's have a look at all posts. Okay, we have these which are of no interest to us. So I am going to select and bulk actions. I'm going to move to trash and apply. Okay, so we are deleting all these and we are going to create a new post. Just waiting for these to be deleted. All right, no post found. So again, I can click there or here, add new post. Let's go there. And this is going to be our first blog. Our first blog. We had a most enjoyable hike last week. Okay, we had the most enjoyable hike last week. So now what we're going to do is we are going to click here where it says post, and I am going to set the featured image. We have a number of featured images in our media library, so let's go there. And let's say that we would like to have this one. No, this is no good. So you'd like to have landscape. This is better. So let's go for this one, set featured image. Okay, and this is all that we have to do. Now, still under post, let's scroll down. And for categories, that is very helpful for your SEO as well. Add new category. So here I am going to type health and fitness. Health and fitness. Health and fitness, and add new category. And then for tags, okay, I am going to type walks, hikes. I'm going to type, friends. And social. All right, this will be sufficient. And I am going to publish. And I am going to click on publish once more. It is publishing. All right, well done. So now we are going to go view posts. As you see, our first blog is right there. Add a new post. Okay. And our second blog. Join us on our, okay. So we are going to say we had a large group yesterday. If I can type, that is yesterday, right? And again, it is block. Which block? Which block are we in? So if you are in this block, just look above it. You can see the paragraph icon. But if you're not really sure what's this paragraph, well, if you hover over it, it reads paragraph, right? But on the right-hand side, you can also read what block are we in? We are in the paragraph block. Well done. Now let's go to post, okay, and set featured image. We have enough photos in our media library. We don't need to upload one from Pexels. So let's go to the media library and let's choose another one. So what about this one? Looks good to me. Set featured image. Set featured image, and there it is. Okay, now we are still in post. Let's scroll down. Categories, health and fitness, still applicable. And add new tag. Well, we can add all these from the previous one. Walks, hikes, friends, social, you know what, country, um, hikes in the country. Whatever you'd like to say. Anything which is pertinent to your content. Okay, and you publish again. Phenomenal. So now we have 2 blog posts. Of course, we don't have much content. You can add content in terms of paragraphs and headings and paragraphs and images and galleries and what have you. So let's go back to view posts. And the last thing we are going to do is we are going to make sure that we do have a navigation menu. So let's go to appearance and let's go to editor. Let's go to editor. Okay, and let's go to navigation. Now, this is interesting. So let us try this one more time. So on the left sidebar, you go to appearance, and on the drop-down menu, you click editor. Let's just open for the editor to open. Okay. And then we go to navigation. Okay, so you click navigation. And now this is what you have here. This is your menu. All right. Okay. So about, blog posts, contact us, home, my videos, and photo gallery. So home normally is the first one on the left-hand side, and contact us will be at the very bottom on the right-hand side. So how to do that? It is quite straightforward. So you go to home and you drag it up. You drag it to the very top. Okay, that's home. Contact us, we are going to drag to the bottom, or you just go to the 3 dots and move down. and again 3 dots, and move down some more. Right, and all the others. You can leave, let's just see, home, blog posts, my videos, photo gallery. Maybe you'd like to have the photo gallery, okay, to the left of videos. So let's go to the photo gallery, the 3 dots, and move up. That's it. Okay, now the about, we would like to have the about as a drop down of home. Okay, so how to do that? So you drag the about to the home and drop it. And there it is. You can now see, you can see on the main menu, but if you click on the home, let's just go back. Let's just go back here. Let's just go back. So let's go back. Okay. So home about is still there. I want the about to be a drop down of home. All right. So if you go there, click, you can see about is a drop down of home. So now we have home with about, blog posts, photo gallery, my videos, and contact us. Okay, now the site title, hikes and walks. So let's go to the hold a sec, because there's review one change. So let's cancel this, review one change, and save. Great, it is now saving. Everything is done. Now we can go back. Let's go back. One more. And we did this in part 1 of the course. Settings, general site title. It was hikes and walks. Hikes and walks. Hikes and walks. Okay. Our group loves hiking and walking. All right. Our group loves hiking. So you scroll all the way down. You click Save Changes. And one very important change that I told you about in part 1 is let's go to reading. And your home page displays a static page. And the home is going to be home. And the posts page is going to be blog posts. Well done. Scroll all the way down and save changes. So we have done everything. Let's just see how this is going to look on front end. Okay, so I am going to click here, hikes and walks. Let's go there. So this is the home page. Welcome to our website. And this is the footer. So on a video that I am going to post, I'm going to publish on the group blocks, you'll be able to learn how you can modify your group blocks so that you'll be able to modify your headers and your footers and so on and so forth. I like all this. The only thing I don't like, okay, remember, if you are on the free version, upgrade your plan to remove the banner and unlock more features from $4 a month. Okay. Now I like all this, but I don't like the home. So we are on our home page, and let's see if the other pages are displaying properly. Let's go to blog posts and blog. Our second blog, we had a large group yesterday. Our first blog, we had a most enjoyable hike last week. So if we click on any of these, it should take us to that particular blog. Yes, it does. Great. Let's go to photo gallery. Yeah, and here is the page, and it's opening very fast. And there is our photo gallery. Phenomenal. Okay, my videos, and there is my video. Is it working? So click on it. Yes, it is working. And lastly, let's go to the contact us page. And again, is it working? So Tony and email. Okay, I'm just going to put here. Okay, phone number. Right message. Great site. Okay, great site. And I am going to contact. Okay, so click the button. Click the button, and it shows the sender what he or she has done. All right, the information. And now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard. And so feedback, form responses. Let's click there. And there is the form that I just filled in. All right. So I can trash this. Right. It's gone. So on just one more thing I would like to show you is, let's go to pages and all pages. Let's look for our home page and let's click edit. I would like to take that home away. I would like to have that home, this display, right? So how to do that, all you have to do is you go to, so on the right sidebar here, okay, you go to template, click on pages and swap template, page, no title, as everything of your page without the title. So click there and save. It is saving, and now you can view page. View page, and now it is fantastic. That home is now gone. Everything else is in there. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video was helpful, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Cheers.